Today's the day we are putting the livery on our $800 Mustang race car. Cool Car Decals sent this out. Same guy who sent us the anime chick that we put on the side of it. Right now, the goal is we are going to be building a race car for virtually nothing. So far, we bought the car for 800 bucks. We threw a wrap on it, some performance mods, a lot of used parts, but so far, budget has been incredibly cheap. We're almost ready to take it to the track and prove that you can build a race car in your garage and actually take it to the track and have some fun. So that's the purpose of this build, but we gotta make it look cool. Now it's already pink, how could it look better? Well, we got these cool Ninja Star looking things. I don't know what they are, but they look cool. We're gonna put them on. We got an absolute shit ton of stickers that we're gonna load up all over the car so that it looks like a full-on NASCAR. There's a lot of things that we have planned. We have aero wheels that we're about to put on. You'll see that at the end of the video. We may even cut the fenders because we got some meaty tires on the way that we're gonna put on, but enough jibber jabber. Let's just get to the sticker, put it on. So here we go. It's currently mocked up. It looks like absolute crap right now, but trust me, it should look a lot better once we apply it. So we cut them out, tape them. The number's being covered right now, but we're gonna cut out those parts so that you can obviously still see the number. And here we go, this side is done, and it kind of looks like tiger stripes, which is why I like it.
Boom!
Okay, this side's almost done.
This side is going a lot smoother than the last side.
Yeah, that back one was a real bitch to put on, but
yeah. The sticker's cool because you can kind of space it out however you need.
yeah, it's much easier than one big sticker, for sure.
All right, here we go, last piece. Boom.
There we go. So I'm kind of mocking up some of these stickers right now. I'm using tape and just, taping them on real quick just to see how they look. But Lenny's about to put our big logo right in the center of the hood, so.
Do we want it like higher up or
no,
more down
definitely
low?
towards the front, yeah.
We could use like a ruler and tape, but I think eyeballing is fine.
Eyeballing's fine. Don't get any air bubbles in this one.
Try not to. Very tedious process. And
Dude, you're fucking it up. What are you doing?
relax.
Oh, dude, it's fucking crooked.
Hey, man, come on. Time is money. This is a budget race car. I don't have any extra time or money. Let's put this on. We're almost done. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Boom! Perfect.
Car is completely loaded up with stickers now. We haven't actually applied them yet. We have them taped on. Normally I don't support putting stickers on when you don't even use the parts, but since this car has been a joke from the beginning and since we're trying to make it look like a NASCAR, I used every single part. Most of these parts are not even on the car, but it looks cool, so we sticker bombed the crap out of it.
Dude, it looks insane.
Yes, it is going to become a legit race car. We actually are going to take it to the track and hopefully run good times. We have new wheels, which we're about to show you in a second, so stay tuned for that. Let's pull the backings off these stickers and let's slap them on. Coming pretty good.
Oh, dude, these look sick. Really gonna match the General T in the driveway now. I can't wait until we put the new wheels and tires on this thing. It's gonna look ridiculous.
So I may have gone a little overboard with the stickers, but yeah, the entire thing is loaded up. Let's go drive it.
All right, well, let's see if it even starts.
That's a good question.
The new wheels just came in for the Mustang. Huge upgrade. Let's take a look. I think you guys are gonna be excited about this one. I know I am. Look how wide that thing is. Yep.
Oh, no way. More stickers.
No. No, please, God, no.
This one wants to go like right over here or something.
Tell me that doesn't look awesome.
Just needs a big, fat, meaty tire.
Yeah, so these are 15-inch rims, which means we're gonna need some fat meats on this thing. Be kind of like this. Okay, here we go. The good old starting sequence. Hit it.
Nothing. I don't have any lights on.
Oh, the battery terminal's all weird. Try it again. We desperately need a new battery.
Yeah, the battery's completely toast.
Damn. We definitely need a new battery. It looks like the alternator is having a hard time recharging it. Oh. Well, we just got back from AutoZone. They checked the battery and it's completely fine, 100% charged. So what that means is we have to search for more problems. But we did get this. some new battery terminals because these look really disgusting, and it's time that these get swapped out for some new ones. But we did have to buy a $150 battery, which I'm stoked about. Okay, so we're gonna take these old nuts off. They're extremely rusty, they're extremely crusty, they're a little dusty. There we go. There's the old, there's the new one. I'm just gonna wipe these off too. Dude, good as new. Now I am gonna check continuity, because I wanna make sure this is a good ground. Which it is. Perfect. This is just one of those things where it may not make a huge difference, but at least we can cross it off the list. Let's tighten these bad boys up.
That looks so much better compared to what they used to look like.
It really does. So real quick, Noah's gonna jump in, turn the key, and see if it starts. If it does, then we're good to go, and if not, we gotta keep looking for another problem. But it does look a lot better. Do the lights work?
Yeah.
That's good. You're kidding. You're kidding! You're telling me that's all it was?
All it was the fucking terminals, dude.
Hey, well, that's cheap, effective, and look at that. Race car. Race car's running good again. All because of these stupid little battery terminals. All right, well, let's take it out. Let's take it out while it's still light.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, we made it back. Absolute blast, super fun. The Mustang is really coming together. Next up, we got a bunch more race car things to do to it.
Stay tuned.